So on the way to Chloe's house right now, just getting off the elevator. Oh, it's Chloe. It's Stella. Bonjour. Say hi. So these are our ingredients: potato, butter, onion, salt, cream, garlic, and white pepper. Now get your peel on. Whee! I'm fast. So whenever you're boiling the potatoes right before that, make sure everything's equal. So I'm going to go ahead and slice these up into near equal sizes. Helps for the boiling ratio. I usually like to quarter them. Very easy. Place them in your pan. And now, when I was talking about that little garlic, what we're going to do, use the back side of your palm here. Just press down on it till you hear a crunch. God, I got to get stronger. Yeah, there it goes. Place that into your pot, and then we're going to run water into the pot till it fills up about 3/4 of the way. After that, we're going to add salt to it and then taste it before we go actually boil it. Along with that, I'll be slicing up a little bit of red onion to put into it as well. It goes really well with potatoes. Alright, let's add some salt to the party. Probably going to add about 1.5 tablespoons just for this 3 potatoes here. Get a spoon, stir it around, incorporate the salt. Then you need to taste it before you actually start boiling. So, guess what? You can put your finger in there, you could do it with a salt spoon. Taste it, but it needs to taste a little bit like salt, but not like seawater. Alright, and so we're boiling potatoes. Only on a low boil. If you see that little boil on the right hand side, that's what you want. Nothing more. Checking the fork tenderness. And she falls through. And she falls through. Alright, just drain your potatoes off. Excuse me, I'm down here now. Do not drain them with your hand. The water's hot. It will burn you. It will burn you. Very easy. Very easy. So now use one of these big bad boys. It's called a fork. You're just gonna mash and mash and mash. Turn the pot, 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 hot potato, hot potato. Whenever you're having heavy cream to it, what you want to make essentially is a paste with the amount of potatoes. So I've added it, I'm going to swirl it around. And when it looks as if a paste is forming, that is the amount of heavy cream that you need to add to your potatoes. Consistency, monte in French, butter in. And so with a little bit of cold butter, you add a little bit at a time, just like this. And you don't all put it in one place. And you spread it around. If you melt the butter and cream firsthand, what's going to happen is you're going to actually separate the fat from the water in the butter, and that's what you don't want. So we're just going to continue to do this. Fold in the butter essentially until your potatoes get a little bit thinner.
Then once they get thin, we'll finish off with a little bit of salt. Taste again, and get some potatoes. Of mash. And this is totally French, by the way, as well, because all we're doing is putting butter and butter and butter and potatoes. Butter's a good thing for you, by the way. Even regardless of whatever doctor says, dietitian, and so forth. So just stirring that. Again, you'll see it kind of separate a little bit, melting wise, and that's what you want. Again, just keep stirring it. You don't want to over whip them. And that would just be going 90 to nothing like. So just stir it right.
Whoops. Pretty delicious. Yes, Stella. We're going to add just a little bit more salt. I'm going to say a little bit just so incy mincy. We've already added our white pepper along with that. For white pepper, you're going to go about 1/4 of the ratio of black pepper, just by the way. White pepper's a little bit more pungent for yourself. Alright, so taste test, because my mom always told me that, you know, you need to taste the things that you eat or cook. Pretty damn delicious. You know, saying that we're eating mashed potatoes and just talking, I've never understood why on those cooking channels, I'm kind of doing a cooking channel, when somebody puts it in whatever they're going to put in their mouth, it's like, oh my god, oh, this is the best thing ever. You didn't even taste it. So, just gonna food for thought. Alright, enjoy the potatoes. We'll see you next time. Cooking the basics. Ciao, ciao.